just listen. Imagine your life without any problems. You don't have any problems at all. You don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about, I don't know. As I said, you don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about getting food. You don't have to worry about drinking water. You don't have to worry about where to live, where to sleep. You know, all the things you don't have to worry about it, okay? But in life, I was thinking about this topic from yesterday to right now recording this video, and I'm just like it gave me like this punch that in life we need problems, because like if we don't have problems in our life, what would be point of living? Exactly, like we live we are on this planet to solve problems, right? We as a human beings, we are solving problems. It doesn't matter what problems we like to solve problems. And where our race, human race, would be if we wouldn't have any problems, if you wouldn't have to worry about anything, if you wouldn't have to worry about family, if you wouldn't have to worry about literally anything. And you might be thinking that, listen, you might be thinking like, well, if we don't have any problems, then life is great. But for me, I would not. I would love to have some problems in my life, because, especially for us masculine men, solving problems is for men, mainly for men. It's like doing the hard work. We have the problem and we want to solve it with all the methods we can use. And for you, problems, do not treat problems as a bad thing. Treat problems as a thing you want to solve. Okay, you have a problem. Like, for example, you're in school, you've been studying your ass hard, for this exam, for example, math exam, right? And you have the problem, and you have the like really hard problem to solve. Yeah, and you sit like this, and okay, how do I do it? How do I do it? And you found a solution. You write your answer, you receive the test back, and it turns out that you solved the answer correctly. If you wouldn't have problems with this, okay, it would be great, but treat problems as a kind of, how do I say this? Your life will not be ideal, and problems are here to remind you of that listen, life is not perfect. We are here to remind you of that, and you need to solve us. That's what problems would say. There's this great quote from this cartoon, Adventure Time. You probably know this if you were like Gen Z. You probably know this. Jake the dog, this stupid dog who can like turn to stupid shit. You know who am I talking, right? He said this very great quote about problems, which I want to say to you. So yeah, to live life, you need problems. If you get everything you want the minute you want it, then what's the point of living? Yeah, Jake the dog makes the very good quote here, and says that if you want everything right now, the click, if you want a Ferrari, oh, I get it. Oh, I get it. Oh, I want Ferrari. Oh, I have this. I want $1 million. I have this. Then what would be a point of living if you would just do this and you have everything? What would be the point of living if you would have everything the minute you wanted? It wouldn't make any sense. Our life wouldn't make any sense. The problems are here to be solved. And if this world wouldn't contain any problems whatsoever, how this species, like this, our race, our human race, wouldn't even survive, for me at least. The thing is, problems need to be solved. Like, as I said, if your life would be just perfect, we wouldn't have any problems. What would be the point of living? Treat problems as a thing you want to beat. All right, you have a problem. As I said, you have a problem. As I said in this example with math test, you have a problem, and you want to solve this. How do I solve this? Do not treat problems as a bad thing. Problems are not a bad thing. Not looking for a solution is the bad thing. I'm not a guru. I'm just a teenager who yaps on the internet, and I've been thinking about this topic, and about this quote which I found on the internet. It's really, Jake the dog was a kind of a bum in this episode, but he really point is really great. Yeah. But stay hard, brothers, because nobody will save you. The only person who can save you is the person I'm pointing right now. Peace out.